Hello friends, how are you everyone? Today we're gonna see some different concept in Excel which is text after and text before. Here you can see I have some names here, so I need to extract first name and last name. To do this job we have several options available in Excel, but I'm gonna show you the easiest method which is text after and text before. Of course we can write with length and left and right and mid some other functions, but those who are not using Office 365 they can use that method. But if you are using Office 365, that is simple and easiest method is text before and text after. So let's look at that one. What is mean by text before is equal text before is a function. Yes, look at that, it is adding text. This is my text and delimiter is my space is a delimiter. Delimiter nothing but here space. So here you can see instant number, match mode, match and if not found. These all are optional arguments. We will see in a couple of minutes. Let's look at that one first example. Close. That's it. You got your first name. Drag and drop all your first names. You got it. And similarly, now text after. Look at that. This is my text and give me space. Space I'm using because here my separator is space. If you have a comma, anything else, you can use comma in place of space. Now look at that. It is first name and last name extracted in a very simple manner. So this is very much useful. Text before means whatever the text is available before delimiter, it is gonna give, and whereas text after means whatever your delimiter after your text that is gonna receive here. This is simple. But what if you have a something like this? If you have a first name and middle name and last name. So here you can see. Anyhow, for first name, I'm going to use same logic, which is text before and space is my separator, right? Let's look at that one. Yes, I got my first name Rahul, Priya, Suresh, Anjali. But whereas come to the middle name, that is a tricky part. Text after space, right? So here you can see if I use it is giving Ramesh Sharma. So actually Ramesh Sharma is not my middle name. Ramesh is my middle name. In such cases, on top of this, again apply text before text before and give me another space. Now you got the output. So what exactly meaning by this one? Text before required one output. That output is coming from the text after, and actually text after function is giving the output Ramesh Sharma. If I use text before on Ramesh Sharma, obviously Ramesh will come. That's the logic. Ramesh, Anjali, Rajesh, Devendra. But whereas if you take last name, look at that text after. So here, this is my text, and here you can see space and comma. Here you can see instant number. It is asking instant number, nothing but you're asking text after the space of which space is that first space or second space or third space, something like that. Here I have a two spaces. I can directly write two. That means after second space, it is gonna get the data. Look at that, Sharma. So like this, based on our requirement, we can use this instant number. But this instant number also with the negative numbers also. What is that? Let's look at here. I have some sentences here. I need to extract the last word from this sentence. Nothing but here, peace, practice, body, stress, yoga, this kind of things. So how can we extract? Text after this is my text and delimiter obviously space comma in the instant number I am using -1. Look at that guys, so it is going to count spaces 1 2 3 4. So when I'm coming to the left side to right side, 1 2 3 will start, but here I used -1. That means right side to left side, -1 -2 -3 -4. Look at that, that is a piece, that is a practice, body, stress, yoga, relaxation. So this is a best examples for text after text before, which is the basic understanding of this one. So if you are not using Office 365 latest version, So obviously you're not gonna use these particular functions. Let me know if you're not using Office 365, so I'll tell you the different methods to how to do that one. But if you observe here, I have extracted last word. What if I want to extract last second word or last third word, something like that? So just try that one from your end. Let me know if you are facing any issues or if you want more explanation in the comment section. And thank you so much, guys. Please share with your friends this video, which is helpful for them, and that motivates me a lot. And thank you so much. Have a good day.